Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson for today. For today's lesson, we will be talking about mystery word. So let's get started.
Materials.
For our lesson today, the only thing you need is just your thinking cap. So let's get our brains ready. There are 3 learning targets for our lesson today. The first target says, I can identify the name and sound for the letters K and Y. The second target says, I can search in a text or poem and find a word with 2 letters in it. And our last target says, I can use clues from a text or poem to identify a mystery word.
Read aloud.
Let's listen to our poem. Can a yak jump? Kangaroo went out to play, jumping up and down all day. Yak wanted to jump up too, but all he could do was stay there, glued. Yak looked down at his feet. His face turned red like a beet. Up jumped Kangaroo in the park. Yak stayed still and watched till dark. Let's read that one more time. Can a yak jump? Kangaroo went out to play, jumping up and down all day. Yak wanted to jump up too, but all he could do was stay there, glued. Yak looked down at his feet. His face turned red like a beet. Up jumped Kangaroo in the park. Yak stayed still and watched till dark.
Articulatory gestures.
We have been working on the letters K and Y. I want you to notice what my mouth does when I say the key word for these letters. We'll start with the letter K. Watch as I say the word kangaroo. Kangaroo. Can you say that word? What does my mouth do when I make the k sound for kangaroo? Yes, I noticed that my mouth was open just a little bit, and my tongue was touching the roof of my mouth, and I could feel the sound being pushed out from the inside of my mouth. Can you try it? Nice work. Now watch what my mouth does when I say the letter Y for the word yak. Yak. Can you say it? What do you notice when we say the sound ya? Ya. Yes, I noticed again that my tongue was touching the roof of my mouth, but more on the sides this time. Ya. Ya. And this time I felt a vibration in my throat when I made the sound. Nice work making those sounds with me.
Transition song.
It's time to sing. Let's solve the mystery. Let's solve the mystery. Clue by clue. Clue by clue. The clues will tell you what to do to make the word become clearer to you. We'll know the word, we'll figure it out. Clue by clue. Clue by clue.
Word work.
High-frequency words are words that authors use a lot of times in their writing. And guess what? Our poem has one of these special words, but we don't know which word it is because it's a mystery. I'm going to read through the poem and we're going to see if we can figure out what the mystery word is using some clues that I have. Are you ready to listen to the poem? All right, here's our poem. Kangaroo went out to play, jumping up and down all day. Yak wanted to jump up too, but all he could do was stay there glued. Yak looked down at his feet. His face turned red like a beet. Up jumped Kangaroo in the park. Yak stayed still and watched till dark. Our first clue is that the mystery word has 2 letters in it. Did you see a word with 2 letters in the poem as I read through? I saw some words too. I saw the words to, up, do, at, and in. They all have 2 letters in them. I wonder which of these could be our mystery word. I think we need another clue. The mystery word has the vowel letter U. In our poem, did any of these words have a U in them? Yes, I saw some too. I saw a word that had the letter U, the vowel U, in it. If you thought that the mystery word was the word up, you might be right. Let's check our clues and see if the mystery word is up. Does up have 2 letters? Yes. Does it have the letter U? Yes. Up is the mystery word because it has 2 letters and it has the vowel letter U. Great job. We solved our mystery word. I'm going to read through the poem one more time, and I want you to pay close attention to the mystery word up as I read it again. Are you ready to look for the mystery word? Great. Here we go. Kangaroo went out to play, jumping up and down all day. Yak wanted to jump up too, but all he could do was stay there glued. Yak looked down at his feet. His face turned red like a beet. Up jumped Kangaroo in the park. Yak stayed still and watched till dark. I hope you saw and noticed all of those up mystery words in our poem. Nice job helping to find the mystery word.
Closing reflection.
When we see the word up, how can we remember what it says? Yes. How will that help us with reading and writing? Nice work. Count how many times you see the word up today. Thank you for joining me and helping me to find the mystery word in our poem. I hope you had fun, and I will see you next time. Bye.